guys, my name is Chaudhary Muhammad Anis, and today I will show you the process of backwash for the STP plant. This is a very simple procedure in which we are press the backwash button for the selected sand filter. Like if you are going to backwash of sand filter number 5, so you need to press the selector button of sand filter number 5 for the to start the procedure of backwash. So here we go. This is our switch number 5 by which we should start the procedure of backwash for sand filter number 5. Now as you have seen, this indicator is now blinking and it shows that our procedure of backwash is now started. So now I will show you the sand filter for the procedure. Now you see this is our sand filter number 5 and this is on now. All the wall of this sand filter is now supposed to be closed because it is going to be on the procedure of backwash. As you have seen, this wall is also closed. This is backwash mode wall. At this moment this is closed, but after 1 minute it should be open. And the uppush wall, there is one more wall we have, is supposed to be open when we are going for backwash mode. Now you see this wall is going to be open and the water is coming out, and later on the backwash procedure is supposed to be started. Now this wall is open, backwash mode, and backwash process is supposed to be started. And here I would like to give you a little information regarding the backwash procedure. In backwash procedure, water is going from the downside and coming out from the upper side, so that it should be inverse procedure, in which water is going from downside and coming out from the upper side to clean the sand filter, to clean the media of sand filter. But in service mode, water is coming from the upper side going into the sand filter and out from this downward line. So that is called the service mode. So we have two modes. We have backwash mode and we have service mode. Service mode is used for the cleaning procedure of water, and backwash mode is used to clean the sand filter and the media which is supposed to be present inside the sand filter. So now it's been over. Our backwash procedure is supposed to be completed. As you have seen, the backwash wall is now closed. I will show you for your knowledge that now you have seen this wall is on now close mode. So backwash mode is completed, backwash is completed, and now our sand filter is going into the service mode. In service mode, these are the service walls, and this is on now service mode. They are open and our sand filter is now going on the service mode. Thank you very much. I hope that now you guys are understand the procedure of backwash, because this is very simple and easy to do with these sand filters at STP. Thank you very much.